morning mga kaswerte. Ayan, dahil po market day today. Ayan, so maraming mga sale. Ito po yung pinaka hot sale nila. Ayan, tignan nyo naman. So lagi po kasi mga special po yung aking binibili. At ngayon mamamalengke muna ako bago ako pumunta sa aking kapatid. Kasi nga po ito is hot sale. Ayan, so maraming tao kasi hot sale. Sana naman hindi pa ako naubusan ng Australian rolled pork. Ayan, so mura lang kasi yan siya. Kasi kapag tinitignan ko po yung presyo to is nasa 25 or 24 ganyan. So ayan, hot sale po sila. Ayan, so marami akong bibilhin. Ayan, so ayan, gusto ko kasi ng roasted pork. Ayun, tapos magbabaon ako sa Wodonga. Ayan, ayan. So let's go. So ayan, wag natin palagpasin ang mga hot sale. Ayan, so asan na kaya yung mga hot sales? Ayan, so hanap tayo, marami. Ayan, so mga kaswerte, kumuha na siya ng paya. Tinatawag ko siya kasi magtatanong ako pa yung mga kukunin namin. Pero alam ko na po yung aking kukunin. So ayan, he wants Scotch fillet, just one. Can you choose? I think it's here. There. That's soy. There. There's one. Do you wanna get one? Well, hi. Sorry. He said just get one. Yeah. Sorry.
How much is it?
Well, 14. Or get the bigger one. That's alright, Una? Just choose.
I haven't got a special sign on it.
Well, it's this is I don't know, just look around. Or maybe this one. I don't know. It's $14 for these two. Can you just check that? They had these two. Look, that's cheap. Just check it. This one. It's beef roast. Look at that. I'll get two of this. I'll put them in the freezer, okay?
You get what?
Two of these. This is
okay.
cheap.
Like cheap?
Yeah, that's $11. So ayan, dahil sobrang maraming sale today. Ayan, so can I get one to Wodonga? Just a small. It's only cheap anyway. Ayan, so magbabaon po ako sa Wodonga ng ganito. Ayan. They're only $11. I'll get that. I can do something about this one. It's not roast, but I can do something about it.
It's not roast?
Well, you can roast them if you want, but I can do some special food for this one, okay? I'll get 3. They're cheap.
Are they?
Yeah, because it's 1 kilo.
Okay.
Is that alright?
Yeah.
So, dahil marami. Ayan, look at that. That's the that's what I've been wanting. That's what I want.
Right. Well, maybe not these, eh?
Okay. Just.
I don't know.
Alright. Put the other one. This one. Balik ko yung isa. Kasi, okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Ayusin ko yung aking bag. So, kadami nilang sale. sale kasi ngayon. Tapos, ayan. Ang dami kong pinagkukuha. Yeah, this is pork and it's good.
Yeah.
I can roast them. Yeah. And there's not much fat on it. It's good. You can eat that.
How many you getting? God.
That's alright. Oh, that's cheap.
Yeah?
It is cheap. I'll put them in the freezer.
Okay.
I'm bringing one to Wodonga.
Yeah.
Also, I'm keeping 3. Is that alright?
Yeah. What about them?
I'm keeping one of that, and I'm bringing,
One to Wodonga.
yeah.
Okay. You said it?
Yeah, or maybe I'll get one more of these, but I think that's $11 compared to this. This is bigger. But
Yeah.
this one, na. Well, rather get one of that.
That's not good.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, sige, that's enough na daw.
Let's go.
Let's go. Lima sana yung kukunin ko eh. Akit. Ayan. So, okay na rin yan. Marami na rin to. So, 5 yung gusto kong kunin, pero sabi niya 4 lang, tama na. Ayan. So, nakasave po kami ng marami. Ayan. Isang bagsakang bayad yan, pero okay lang din kasi nakakasave naman po kami kapag marami. Ayan. Nag-crave kasi ako ng lechon.
Hang on, maybe over here.
Yeah, here. You had to pay here. So, ayan. Bayaran na. Ayan. So, si Habi na ang maglalagay doon. So, ayan. Thank you for watching mga kaswerte. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. And thank you. Please like and subscribe also. Bye.